How to record video calls on iPhone. There are few ways to record your video calls on your iPhone device. While you are on your video call, simply scroll down from the top and open your control center. There you will see screen recording option. If you simply hit on that to start your recording on your video call, then recording will be started. And if you want to end your recording, simply hit that button again and then you are good to go. You can also find some of the alternatives to record video call on your app store. You can also go and check them out. In this way, you can record video calls on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.